In today's video, I've got some awesome inspiration for you for your raspberry flavoured vodkas. Welcome back, Drinks fans. As I just said, today's focus is raspberry vodka. I love using JJ Whitley. It punches of raspberries, so that's kind of my go-to. Feel free to swap out other brands, whatever. It's just pure inspiration. That's what my recipes are all about. This cocktail is beaut, an absolute beaut. For me, very kind of well balanced with a bit of bitterness, a bit of tartness, but a bit of fruit punching through. There's almond notes, there's cranberry notes. It's just a stunning cocktail. Absolutely love that. You are really, really going to enjoy this one. So I urge you to kind of try it and make it really, honestly. Right, we've named it, as I said, my membership community, my legends, they are naming my cocktails now for my cocktail book, which should be out by my birthday in the summer. So Paul got involved in this one. Paul called it a red berry Russian spritz. Kind of like that. Andy, I kind of nearly went with this one, an Italian red fizz. Italian Amaretto, it's kind of what's in it, so that was what that was about. Italiano Cosmo was Ross. I didn't go with that one because the Cosmo will kind of confuse people. But what I did go for, purely because I didn't understand it at all in the slightest, and it made me funny, Priti, she went with legit Minion Crush. I have no idea, but it made me giggle, so I'll go for it. So this cocktail is called the Legit Minion Crush. Right then, let's run you through the ingredients for this. Obviously, the base of this is going to be JJ's Raspberry Vodka. This is a really punchy raspberry vodka. So you could use plain vodka and a bit of raspberry liqueur, like Chambord, like Bowls, like Giffard or something like that. Absolute raspberry, I do like it. It just hasn't got the big bold raspberry flavours that the JJ has. So kind of adjust, maybe add a little bit more raspberry if you fancy. It's up to you, up to you. So we've got that. I've got some Amaretto. Again, big shout out to Toshi for sending me that. It's quite nice. You could use Disaronno, obviously. I haven't got Disaronno to do a side-by-side, but I really do like the Toshi one. I've got some cranberry syrup. I've got some soda water. I've got some freshly squeezed lemon juice. I've got some cranberry. Now, I've got cranberry and raspberry juice here. Feel free to use normal cranberry juice. I just like cranberry and raspberry. That's just me. And I've got some orange bitters there because I'm going to do my little trick with the glass. So, cocktail shaker. I'm going for 45 ml of raspberry vodka. You could go 50 ml double bubble if you wanted to. Let's go UK for this. Let's get a double bubble up on the screen up there. A UK double bubble, 50 ml. 50 ml. There we go. Of that. Right. Pop that to one side. Right. Amaretto. I'm going for 15 ml, half an ounce of amaretto. Perfect. Now give it those kind of nutty almond notes to it. Really like that. That's 15 ml lemon juice. So I'm going lemon juice. 15 ml of lemon juice. Perfect. Right. Cranberry syrup. Not massively used, but I really like this. It's got the sweetness, but it's got the tart sort of cranberry notes to it as well. So I'm going for 22.5 ml. So 3/4 of an ounce. There. Perfect. Then I'm going for my cranberry, as I say, cranberry and raspberry juice this is, but feel free to use normal cranberry juice. I'm going for 30 ml, 1 ounce of that. Right, that's that. Soda waters obviously comes after the old shaky. So fill your glass up with ice, and then we're just going to give this a hard, fast shake, 10 to 12 seconds. Right, when that is nicely chilled down. I'm going for a spritz glass for this, so I like my little stemless wine glasses for spritzes. I've got another spritz glass here. You could use, actually I haven't used that in a while. Let's use that. Why not? So, first things first, let me do my soda water before I forget that. So I want soda water, and I want 60 ml of soda water. I'm just going to pop it straight into my shaker so I don't have to stir the cocktail. Go. So 60 ml of soda water. Right, that's there. And then I'm going to do my usual trick with the orange bitters. I love these. I've got my little spritz cap on there. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3. And we always do 1 for luck on this channel. 4. There we go. So I've got 4 spritzes of orange bitters in there. I'm just going to do fresh ice in there. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And then I want this crystal clear. I'm gonna double strain this just for giggles. Look at that. Oh, the other glass is a bit bigger. Oops, never mind. It's a bit there for later, isn't there? Right, and then garnish-wise, I've pre-made a little cranberry and raspberry kebab there. So that'll just sit nicely on there. And then I've got a lovely sprig of mint. I'm just going to kind of, because red and green always goes well together. Right then, if you want even more vodka cocktail inspiration, I'll even put a raspberry one there for you as well. Dive into one of those playlists that's popping up on screen right there. As always, if you like me, if you like the recipe, big old thumbs up, please. And if you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure you subscribe to my channel.